Hello everybody, these two are Gidgets. They're they're both doing really good. Both eating good too. They're eating a little bit of hard and a little bit of soft. They're actually really enjoying it, huh? Yeah. Still eating from mama a little bit here and there, but they're still both doing really good. They are just 5 weeks. Hi. They like to play, love to cuddle. Yeah. Hey. As you can see, this one's the boy right there. Say hi. This one the girl. Say hi, mama. Yeah. These two are the sweetest little ones. These are Gidgets later. Hi. Hi. Honey, you're blocking your sissy. Your sissy has to see. Look. They are just 5 weeks. These are Gidgets later. Say bye.